Ball position. Kanuday to Celestre. Pass to Kanuday to jersey number 17. Rebound by Sumugat. 55-34.
Malagit. Kumbay. Arroyo.
Another steal. Celestial crossover move. 2 points.
By Celestial. 55-36.
55-36. 19 ang abanse. Arroyo long 2. Nice rebound by Gumban. Grabe, ganyan bata. Sumugat 2 points. Kondisyon ang Benedicto. Rebound by Sumugat. Sumugat again. On the drive. Crossover moves layup. Ang ipas ay Gumban. 2 points by Gumban. Small but kamulang sugpon. Kanuday crossover to Celestial. To Agoseos. There's a foul.
And 1. On a shot. 2-point play by
Substitution. The birthday boy.
59-39.
Kanuday. 3 points.
By Kanuday.
Jersey number 14. 42-59.
59. Ready boy for 3. Basket.
3 points by the birthday boy. Please claim your cake to Sir RJ Piñas.
62-42.
3 points answered by Magno. Jersey number 19, a former player of Team Benedicto and now playing in Team Balabago. Gumban! Iya Japon! Iya Japon! Pero still, na-rebound na sa Team Balabago. Kanuday again for 3. Back! 3 points
3 para sa Balabago.
by Jared Bahay.
48-62.
Na lang ang banse nga ginalagas. Santi Balabago, another steal. Birthday boy on the layup. 2 points. Another cake from Sir RJ Piñas.
Counted.
Long 3. Wala lang gabaris sa basket, gabaris man sa ML. The birthday boy for 3. Not good. Ipasa sa kontra Jersey number 25.
Yeah.
Pass to Miranda. Miranda, there's a foul.
Basket out of 2.
Substitution.
64. Galing.
10 shot clock. Nice block by Miranda. Another block by jersey number 17. Back-to-back block by Miranda. There is a foul commit. And down to 12.
64.
64-52 with time remaining for. Nice pass to the white jersey number 27.
Ryan. 66. 42.
Celestre for 3. Bang!
Celestre.
3 points. 11 na lang ang abanse. 4
54.
minutes time remaining. Sumugat, crossover. On the drive, my foul. Committed. Kanuday. Ngupita isang set. Miranda to Magno. 3 points. Pulo na lang abanse. San Benedicto. From 20-point lead down to 10-point lead. Arroyo for the fake. Nag-layup. Sumabay ka pa. 70-58. Same ball position. Ten shot clock. Kanuday. Not good, but still rebound by Team Balabago Celestre. Rebound by Sumugat. Sumugat on the drive. Gumban again. 2 points. Balik sa 14 ang abanse. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Magno. 3 points by Magno. On fire.
Cham na lang.
Sumugat. Nice move. Tahong-tahong. 74-61. Magno. Pressure defense by Gale. There's a foul. Judica lang ma-steal. Miranda. 3 points. Pulo ang abanse. Balik sa pulong abanse sa Team Benedicto. Gula on the drive. Nice pass to Gale. Gale kapos. Miranda to jersey number 12. Ako sa left. Ulag yapon. Pero same ball. Outside si ref. Agoseos to Kanuday. 1 minute and 14 seconds remaining time in the third quarter. Miranda again. Nice block by Gula. Good defense. Gula to Arroyo. Fake. 2 points.
76-64. Balik sa
76-64.
12.
50 seconds. Magno, hugot na depensa. Magno! Kapos. Rebound by Gula. Another steal. Miranda, may foul. 2 out of 2 in the free throw line. Balik sa pulo ang abanse.
6-6.
35 seconds remaining time.
76-66.
30 seconds. Arroyo. Not good, but still rebound by Gumbana Gale. 2 points.
By Gale.
17 seconds. 15. 10 segundos. 5. End of the third quarter, our official score is 78-66. 12 lang abanse San Benedicto.
12-point lead.